Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing so well. So today I'm going to be doing fish barbecue. So this I got two fish which I washed already, is already clean. So I have my spicy chili, red chili, green chili, yellow chili, and one pepper and 3 garlic, and also 1 Maggi cube, my half onions, and sea salt here, and also this thing where I forgot what is the name, which I got for a long time. I just pour it there. Olive oil and coconut oil. So you can also add ginger, which is also good. I don't have it at home now, so I'm going to be using what I have now to make this barbecue. So yes, so okay, I need to blend this paprika chili together. So see you in few minutes. So I'll be adding coconut oil. Oh, a little bit of coconut oil. So I'll add my olive oil also. I'll add a little bit olive oil. So just wrap it for a few minutes. The oven. So so here, this is the fish. I'm done with the fish. You can eat it with anything, with a potato. You can eat it with rice. So I'm going to be eating it with rice, with white rice. That is what I'll be doing now with my salad. So this is the barbecue fish. I hope you love this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and see you on my next video. Love you all. Bye. Ciao.